The sky was cloudy. A man named Ravi was walking home. Ravi was tired after work. Ravi was tired after work. He did not want to talk. He wanted some peace. One hot tea, coming right up. There you go, enjoy. Evening, a cup of tea, please.
Coming right up.
Thanks, it smells wonderful. Here you are, sir, freshly brewed. Thank you, it smells wonderful. Enjoy, I will. Evening, a cup of your finest tea, please. Coming right up, sir. You won't regret it, young man. Thank you. I don't know if I can do this. You can. Just take it one step at a time. Thank you. He spoke softly. His words were calm and reassuring. He wanted to comfort me. Can I help you? It's very simple. Just follow my lead. You'll be fine. He said yes. I'm so happy. Ah, perfect. Thank you, my son. Of course. I've missed you, Grandpa. I've missed you too, my boy. I've been thinking about what you said. And what did you conclude? I think you're right. Good. Rainy days always bring back memories, don't they? They do. It's peaceful in here. It is. Enjoy these moments. It's really coming down out there. Perfect night for some warm tea. And great company. A small help changed the day. Ravi learned something important. Kindness is very powerful. Kindness is very powerful. It does not need much money. It needs a good heart.